Welcome to another lesson on simplifying exponential terms. In this video, we give examples only on the use of a law on simplifying multiplication of exponential terms with the same basis. Remember, in a previous video, we wrote our first law mathematically as follows: a to the power of m as one term multiplied by another exponential term, a to the power of n. We said the product of these two exponential terms can be expressed as one single term in the form a to the power of addition of the two exponents. Let us look at an example of how to use the first law of exponential terms. Say we're given 2a squared as one term multiplied by 3a cubed as a second term. In these two expressions, the exponential terms are a squared and a cubed, and the remaining numbers are 2 and a 3 that we have to multiply. So as we always do, we can multiply the two numbers as usual, and we take the exponential terms and group them together in the same fashion. And according to the first law says that if you have the two terms with the same basis with exponents, these two terms can be written as a 2 plus 3. That is the base a, the first exponent plus the second exponent. If we do that, we'll arrive at the answer a to the power of 5. Essentially, this is how the law is used. Let us now look at the second example. Say you're given two expressions, 2x squared multiplied by 6x raised to the power of 13. The terms we have to worry about here that have exponents are the x squared and the x to the power of 13. The 2 and the 6 are simply taken care of as usual. We say 6 times 2, and we can deal with the exponential terms separately. In this instance, 2 times 6 is a 12, and we have the base x. These two expressions here have the same basis, which is x. According to the law of exponents for products, we can simplify this by simply adding the exponents. And in this case, our answer is 12x raised to the power of 15. That is 2 plus 13 is equals to 15. And that's our answer there. Let's look at example 3. Say in this instance, you're given an expression a raised to the power of x plus 2 multiplied by a x minus 2. In these two cases, our first expression is a raised to the power of x plus 2, and the second expression is a raised to the power of x minus 2. And here we can see that we have a product. So since we have a product of two exponential terms, our law says we can simplify the two by writing one base and adding the exponents. The exponents in this case, let's put them in brackets, are x plus 2 plus x minus 2. X minus 2. Let's simplify the top part. We have a as a base. Let's remove all the brackets. plus 2, we say plus multiplied by x is equals to x. We say plus multiplied by a minus gives us a minus 2. When we simplify here, we see we have x plus x. It gives us 2x. And we have a plus 2 minus 2 gives us a 0. Essentially, our answer is a raised to the power of the exponent 2x. This is the end of our video on dealing with the first law of exponential terms, which involves multiplication of two exponential terms.